How to send attachment on Gmail. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube, and in today's video I will guide you on how to send attachments on Gmail. So it's very easy and simple. Watch till the end and know how to do it. So to get started, open up your Gmail. Once you have opened it, you can see the option Compose right there. Simply tap on it. Upon pressing on that, type down the Gmail account that you want to send the attachment to. Once you do that, click on that little attachment type of button. Upon clicking that, select the attachment you like to send. Once you do that, you can also add the subject, and then as you can see the arrow button right there, simply tap on it in order to send that attachment. So that is how easily you can send attachment on Gmail. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.